Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will be doing a reading on money. How much money will I have and how should I spend or invest money? So there are three piles in front of you with three beautiful crystals: amethyst, clear quartz and citrine. So whichever is attracting you more, you can select one of these piles. I'll give you a few seconds. So guys, please select one of these three piles and let's see what tarot is saying for you. Okay, so those who have selected the pile number 1, which is amethyst, let's see what do we have for them. Okay, so if we talk about this 8 of Pentacles, so it means that please do not rely on luck. Make sure to invest your money wisely and have faith in yourself. Your self confidence will partner with your skills and bring financial reward, right? So in 10 of Wands, again, you may be feeling a little overburdened or stressed nowadays, but everybody is. Look at your financial situation calmly, create a plan, spend within your budget, and always save for the rainy days. The Fool. There seems to be an irresponsible financial mistake, like investing in the wrong kind of business or losing money on a venture that might turn out to be a scam. So you need to be careful about it. And let's see what messages angels have for you. Okay, so share your art with the world. So it says it's time to allow others to enjoy your creative work. So which means that you are basically keeping your projects under wraps because of maybe fears of rejection or criticism or perfectionism. So whatever it may be, you don't have to keep your projects under wraps. So begin by sharing your creations, with trustworthy people, maybe, who will give you honest feedback in gentle and respectful ways. So this is the message for you from angels, and let's see what other piles, the people who have selected the pile number 2, what do we have for them. So those who have selected the pile number 2 with clear quartz, let's see what do we have for them. Okay, so this is Page of Cups, which says that maybe you have been engaging in a new business venture, but you doubt your partner because some details were concealed. So this is what you think, that some details were concealed from you. So but what may appear to you can be deceptive, so you need to be careful about it. So this card says that you might have an unexpected money coming. So also someone may be hiding something from you, as you thought your partner is. You might have accidentally signed up to some sort of deal that will maybe cost you more in the long run. So you just have to be careful about and look out for a person who has been hiding things from you. And this says that you have created wealth and abundance by maintaining a focus on your goals. So you are attentive to your long term financial security, actively saving money and watching your expenses, so you can accumulate wealth and live a comfortable lifestyle, not just now but also in the future. So you may consider a savings plan, family budget, a retirement plan and safe investments, so you can protect what you have accumulated over the time period, and slowly increase your net worth. And Let's see what message angels want to give you. Okay, so angels are saying that being an editor, you know, which means that your writing or other creative project benefits from outside help and support. So you either you can, you know, take a support from the group outside your circle, those who can support you, or you know, heaven also wants you to help you polish your creative work so that it shines brightly for all to see, you know, admire and benefit from. So you may feel reluctant to pull in a fresh opinion, feeling very protective of your work, yet the angels see that doing so can give you, you know, give you and your work the completion that it needs for public appreciation, acceptance and enjoyment. So perhaps, you know, your editor will have a question about the project that you hadn't thought of. If the editor has the question, so will the public. So it's easier to answer it ahead of time before you know, releasing your creative work in the world. So trust that you will be divinely led to the right editor for your project, and that this person's work is an investment that will pay for itself. So this is what angels wanted to give you as a message, and let's see the people who have selected the pile number 3, which was with citrine crystal. So what do we have for them? Okay, so Ace of Pentacles, it says that, you know, a new source of money coming. So it is usually extra regular money. It can indicate new opportunities leading to increased prosperity, and this says that, you know, you may not have a lot of money at the moment, but you know that you will have more than enough in the near future to pay the bills and live comfortably. This one says that, you know, this is an emotional card with the moon sign, so it says that, you know, whatever gut tells you, follow your gut. If that means having a wait longer, that's okay, you wait longer, better to wait, and be sure that make a decision now or sorry for later, you know. uh, so this also shows that overspending to fill an emotional void, so stop right now. You don't want to end up emotionally empty and broke. So let's see what message angels want to give you. Gratitude. So you attract more blessings when you appreciate your current blessings. So you need to, you know, I always say in my videos that you need to follow gratitude, and this is what, you know, you need to do as a prayer, maybe. You know, that attracts wonderful opportunities and relationships. So you have to acknowledge the blessings surrounding you, your family and your creative works. Be thankful for tomorrow, and, you know, you will automatically erase all worries about the future. So this was the message from the angels for you. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel, and for more videos like this, or in case you want any other topic, any video on some other topic, please do let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching guys. Be safe.